So you're gonna meet some like amazing people, super inspirational people as well, business owners. See the end goal and the end result, and this is like your stepping stone to get it. Learn to take no as a good thing because it pushes you to try again to get the next yes. That's the way I look at it.
For me, it's a very good idea.
So guys, good morning. My name is Brad. I'm a videographer and photographer here in Barcelona, if we haven't met yet. And this channel is all about videography and photography. So if you are new here, you could consider subscribing if that is your kind of thing. Welcome back to all of my current subscribers. It's good to see you guys all again today. And another Friday we spent together. Hopefully you guys are going to benefit from this video, and I really hope this video finds you because I have been meaning to do this one and give you some advice, something inspirational, something that can get you guys out there and push you in the right direction to selling your work and getting you on the road to success for whatever way you're going. I think everybody who wants it bad enough deserves to win. So guys, you clicked on this video because you want to know how you can start making money as a beginner photographer, right? You don't really have any work out there yet, but you already know you take amazing pictures. Everyone tells you you should sell the work, and it's not just someone who cares about you dearly. At the end of the video, I'm gonna give you guys a tip and one key element to success that's gonna help you with selling things, help you along this journey as well, which plays a massive part in it. Okay guys, so we are going to be walking into stores and we are going to be asking them
Hola,
for
¿cómo
an
estás?
exchange. Now I believe in pro bono. If you guys don't know what that means, it means you are basically doing something for free in order to gain exposure. So people are getting to know you. I believe in this way, but I also believe in another method which helped me along because it made me feel like my work was worth something, people were willing to give something out for it, and that is by doing an exchange. So the two stores that I went to, I told them that we were going to do 40 euros worth, so it's not a lot, but it is a good amount as well for what you're getting, you know. So in return, you're getting exposure. People are going to see this on Instagram, on the web, wherever they're going to see it. And guys, just check this out, One of these vignettes, these are a bit cold because they've been in the fridge, but look at this. Look at this exchange. 6 bottles of amazing, high quality vineyard wine. This is a lot higher than 40 euros.
Albert, nice to meet you. What do you think of the idea if other people are looking at building their portfolio and this kind of idea to do this kind of thing for starting out?
For me, it's a very good idea to make this portfolio and change for wines, and I think that it's a very good idea.
And I know you're probably thinking that you wanted to find this way to make money right now, but the thing is, life is a snowball, guys, and your work is a snowball. People are gonna know you, and the snowball is gonna get bigger and bigger and bigger. Think about this. Just say you go to 10 stores. And let's just assume that all of these stores say yes for now, just for this example. You give every store 10 photos and in return you get something from them. Maybe it's a t-shirt from one, maybe it's a haircut from another one. You give them all 10 photos each. They all have photos on their Instagram. They know you personally. If you were doing videos in the future and they have seen your work on Instagram, or you've seen them an example after, they already know you, so they're likely to hire you. Places like the Vineyard, they have people coming all the time. That means that's like instant money. A few of these jobs that I've been to and done this for, they have told me, we're gonna call you when people are looking for pictures. Obviously, right now in Corona season, everything's been shut down, but normally people are in there all the time and everybody wants a photo. So that's instant work. Every store, you never know if someone gets a new clothing item, they need a photographer. That's new work. They know you already. If people know you, they like you, they're more likely to hire you rather than looking through a phone book and hiring someone they don't know. So just really keep that one in mind. If you're thinking that right now, then keep that one in mind, okay guys, because it's really important. You really need to learn how to approach people and how to talk to people. So even if you practice with a friend, pretend it's like acting if you don't know yet, but walk in there and walk in the place with a smile. Walk in there You know what I like to pretend? Walk in there and pretend like these people really are your friends and you know them. Because if you walk up there and you act like, hi, I have this, chances are they're probably gonna say no. But if you walk in there and you're like, hey, how you guys going? Hey, look, I'm a beginner photographer and I am just starting out. I do take amazing photos and I really love your store. What I wanted to do was I wanted to take some photos and we can do an exchange. So you're gonna have some beautiful photos for your Instagram, some professional edits, and I'm getting an exchange for it as well. Something like that. But guys, really the interaction with the people, it's really gonna be important and it's probably gonna make or break the deal. And this is gonna help you later on in life as well when you're selling the product. Think of it the same as going into a restaurant. If you go into a restaurant and people are just rude and mean, you're not gonna go there again. 99% of the time, you're probably not going to, unless you're starving, you're not going to go there again. So think of it in that way. But if somebody greets you with a smile, you're like, you know what, yeah, I might just give them a chance. So that's really going to help you guys. I just wanted to throw that one in there. And guys, another big one, don't let rejection, while you're doing this, you're going to be rejected by some people. The number one thing is not everybody is going to say yes, but when they say no, don't feel rejected. They could just be saying no because they have zero interest. They don't care. I mean, that's just life. Some people don't care about that stuff. They could love the idea for you doing that, but they don't have any interest for any of these reasons. But don't ever let the rejection get in the way, because I know if you're starting out and it kind of feels like me, I've never really struggled with the rejection before because I'm just like, next, I'll try again. And I really just think don't let this stop you. Just keep on going, keep on pushing, and you're gonna succeed in the end. Because what I like to say is 10 will say no to you, but 1 will say yes. But you have, like, depending on where you live, unless you don't just have 10 stores in your city or your town. Sorry guys, sorry about that. But then that might be a little bit different. But there's so many stores. And the great thing is people are gonna know you in your community as well, just around you. So don't let the rejection stop you. Learn to take no as a good thing, because it pushes you to try again to get the next yes. That's the way I look at it. If you keep on saying no to me, I'm gonna keep on finding a way for someone to say yes. So think of it in that way. It's really a positive, not really a negative.